Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to show you how to make some frame artwork. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the internet and I'm going to just do a screen capture of a background I want, and I am using Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to place the document inside of my file and I'm going to stretch it by grabbing the bottom corner and placing it exactly where I want it. I've already typed my text, so I'm just going to paste my text in there, run to my printer, and I'm going to print it out. I have my frame that I want to use, which is one that I purchased, I believe, at the Dollar Tree. The size is roughly a 11 by 6 or close to a 7. I'm not really sure the exact size frame, but any frame would work. The design I'm providing is an 8 by 10. And I'm going to move all the pieces out of the way. I'm going to only deal with the frame portion of it because that's what I'm going to use to determine what size I need to cut my page down to. And I'm going to lay it on top, but sometimes you have to remove or actually flatten the back pins because you can't get an accurate measurement with those pieces in the back. So I'm just going to flatten those down, and sometimes they kind of hurt, so you may want to use a screwdriver or the back flat part of a knife. And I'm simply going to lay it on top and center it exactly where I want it. You kind of have to eye it a little bit, or you can use a ruler. I kind of eyeball mine, but here's the way you measure it with your ruler. I'm going to go to my cutter and I'm going to cut it out, and here it is now. I've got it into my frame the right size, exactly like I want it. I do have a white spot at the top, so I'm going to show you. I'm just going to adjust my paper a little bit to move it up, and I'm going to put the backing on it. And here I'm going to show you again how I'm able to shift it just the top so you don't see that white. And I'm going to close the pin parts in the back. Again, be careful because they are kind of sharp. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching me. I'm the Paper Lover.